Happy Tuesday, Castle team. Welcome back from spring break. This is Katrina and Amanda here with this week's Castle Communication. First of all, some updates. Prior to spring break, we had our 90-day plan staff meeting that will be linked in your email, but we also wanted to remind you about our next steps that the committee's identified. In math, make sure you're incorporating number talks daily. See one of the coaches if you need support. During collaboration, make sure you're using the revised agenda and data analysis protocols. We will put that in the leadership drive today. And then for positive school culture, remember that our Championing a Child reception is this Thursday on the 5th.
All right, our district is in process of evaluating their LCAP goals, and they're seeking input from the various stakeholders in the district. So linked into this email, you will see a teacher LCAP survey and a student LCAP survey. We need all teachers to please complete the teacher LCAP survey by this Wednesday afternoon. For the student LCAP survey, only 4th, 5th, and 6th grades will take that survey, and again, that needs to be done by Wednesday afternoon. It is a short survey and will not impact very much academic learning time, so please have those both done by Wednesday afternoon. We are also linking in the parent LCAP survey flyer. If you use Class Dojo or another digital way to communicate with parents, we ask that you send it out. There's a link to the website where the survey is located. There's also a QR code that parents can scan, and the survey will automatically come up on their phone. So please send those out. We will also give it to parents at Chatta Latte this week.
All right, and then Q4 extended day registration has been completed. We're finalizing all the classes this week. Letters and assignments should go home Wednesday, the latest by Thursday, and then extended day will begin on the 9th. That's next Monday.
Cycle 8 for 95% group started this week. You should have had all of your materials and where your students are going in your box. If you are missing something, please see John Rose now.
All right, and then we're having our Keep Parent meeting for 5th and 6th graders this Thursday the 5th from 6 to 7 in the NPR. There should be flyers and boxes by the end of the day to go home with the students. Remember that students need to be registered for summer STEAM, and we give priority to 6th grade. Leftover spots will go to 5th grade on a first come, first serve basis.
All right, some reminders. Coast to Coast Soccer will be on campus 2 days this week on Wednesday and Friday. Shannon has compiled the new rosters for grade levels. She will have those rosters out to you this afternoon or tomorrow morning. Please review the roster, and if she's left a name off or you want to change a student around, please let her know ASAP.
And several of you had finished the Math Interim 3 the week before spring break. Please make sure you complete the analysis protocol and send that to Amanda and I.
All right, this Wednesday you will have your grade level PLC. You can use this time for planning, or if you need to complete that Math Interim analysis protocol, you can use that time as well. So again, this is just protected time for your grade level.
And then Chatta Latte for parents is April 5th. That's Friday from 8:30 to 9:30. If you use Dojo, please remind your parents, and we'll also have reminder flyers in your boxes.
All right, Wednesday afternoon at 3:20, we will be celebrating Lauren LaRoque's engagement with a bridal shower. We hope to see everybody in the library at 3:20.
And then this Saturday on the 7th, ACES will be having their rummage sale. Please continue to bring in items to donate and give those to Miss D.
The cabinet will be here on Monday, April 9th. They will be visiting classrooms, they'll visit collaboration, and also visit the lab rotation. Again, don't do anything special for cabinet, just do what you do. Katrina and I are very proud of all the hard work you put into your students.
And then our ELA Interim 4 window has been revised. Your students may take that between the 3rd and the 20th.
CAST training for 3rd through 6th grade is on April 11th. This will be an extended staff meeting, so please plan to be here from 2:15 to 3:50, and again, that's only for 3rd through 6th grades.
And then the leadership meeting that was scheduled for the 11th will be rescheduled due to that training. We'll send an email out with a new time.
All right, we had to revise our March awards and Q3 awards. So here is a new schedule. We will begin at 8:30 on April 10th. as our normal all school awards. Then at 9 o'clock, first grade will give their monthly awards. At 9:40, third grade will give their monthly awards and honor roll. And then second grade will give monthly awards and honor roll at 10:20. Kindergarten, your awards are actually at 2 o'clock, not second grade, and it's going to be in the afternoon. Then on April 11th, we are going to honor 5th grade at 9 a.m. with the monthly awards and honor roll, 9:45 6th grade, and then at 10:20 4th grade. So again, review that schedule and make the necessary changes, and then we will make sure the packets get to you so that you can complete everything.
All right, and then some shout outs. First of all, shout out to Jennifer Rodriguez for receiving a visit from KERO for her Donors Choose Meteorology grant. She was very eloquent and well spoken during that news piece, and we're very proud of her.
All right, in the last screencast, we praised those who sat on the 90-day plan committees, but we wanted to do a special shout out for those who presented at the staff meeting. So a big thank you to Jill, Grant, Jennifer Neal, Crystal, Lauren, Kami, Jennifer Rodriguez, Anna, Ashley, Bree, Carolina, Roxy, Katie, and Jennifer Wilkins for presenting their plans to their peers.
All right, and then thank you to our Positive School Culture Committee for organizing Champion a Child. That will begin this Thursday, and we're all very excited to be part of that.
A special thank you to Shannon Hilton for organizing the new soccer teams and the Camp Keep meeting this Thursday.
And then thank you to Jenny and Grant. They did an outstanding job of organizing track and track awards and then sending the names to the district for the district track meet.
And a huge thank you to Sarah and Karen, who were flexible in moving their classrooms. The week before spring break, when we had the rains, we had some major issues in those classrooms. They made swift movement, and we were able to repair.
All right, and then finally, thank you to John for organizing SSTs the week before spring break, as well as a 95% group visit with Gay Heath. Thank you, John.
Thank you for listening to this week's Castle Communication. And as we move forward towards the end of the year, please remember our 3 priorities: math, collaboration, and positive school culture.